When you install Genie 2000 software on your computer, it does not automatically install all of the drivers needed to communicate with various multi-channel analyzers Mirion offers. If you see the following message when you try to open a detector using Genie acquisition and analysis software, and you are using an older MCA like a DSA 2000 or AIM modules, then you will probably need to install the Snap Protocol driver on your network card. You can verify that the Snap Protocol driver is loaded by looking at the network properties for your local area connection. If it is not, then this Mirion do-it-yourself video will help you walk through the steps on how to install the Snap Protocol drivers on your system. Please insert your Genie 2000 installation CD before continuing. For Windows XP systems, go to Control Panel. Click Network Connections. Click Local Area Connection. Right-click and choose Properties. For Windows 7 systems, go to Start. Click Run and type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. In the window that comes up, locate Local Area Connection. Right-click and choose Properties. In the pop-up window, click Install. Select Protocol, then click Add. Then click Have Disk. Click on the Browse button and go to your Genie 2000 CD /bin/G2K v3.4/AIM folder. In Genie 3.4, we added 64-bit support for the Snap driver as shown. Choose the appropriate folder for your type of system. For 64-bit systems, choose AIM SNAP6.INF, and for 32-bit systems, choose AIM SNAP5.INF. For this example, we will show the 32-bit installation. After you select the AIM SNAP5.INF file, you will see this window. Click OK. You will get a warning. Press OK. You should see Canberra NDIS 5.0 Snap Protocol listed. This will bind to every network device it finds. You only want it connected to whatever you are using to communicate with the desired MCA. If you have more than one network connection, you have to check the Snap Protocol off for the others. The Canberra NDIS 5.0 Snap Protocol driver should be installed. Reboot your computer and try to communicate with your device. If you are still unable to communicate with your device, please call tech support for additional assistance.